Alright, so if you guys didn't read the title of the video, I don't even know how you got here, but I make my own colored acrylics now, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to break it down for you, okay? These are the colors I made. I'm going to show you some more colors that I made. Also, and I'm going to give you swatches in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I make my own colors because it makes more sense to me money-wise. I have about 20 gel polish colors, and the shelf life is 18 months, and I will probably never use the entire bottle of any of those colors because I'm doing my own nails and I don't own a salon. So for that reason, I decided to start making acrylic powders because it just makes more sense. I am able to control how much I make, what I use, and what I don't use, and I'm not wasting money. Yeah. So I purchased some powder from Young Nails. I love their stuff. I love their brand. It was between Young Nails and Mia Secret. Mia Secret is sold off of Amazon, and it's not sold in as much of a bulk amount as Young Nails, and they're a bigger distributor, so I don't have to worry about it being sold out or anything like that because they know what they're doing. So I purchased clear and I purchased white from them. I also have one colored acrylic from them, but everything else I make. So I purchased that, and I also have Arteza, the color that I'm putting right now in this jar. I got that from Arteza, the website, and they make this powder called mica powder. That's what you're going to need if you want to make your own acrylic colors, or you can use chalk. I will also make a video about using chalk very soon, probably in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I made the base of the purple already. Right now I'm just adding in more and tweaking the color a bit, so I'm not going to go into detail on the steps that I used to make this because it's going to confuse you because I didn't show it from the beginning. But you will definitely need some measuring spoons and some jars if you plan on doing this to hold your powders that you create. This color I also did a swatch of because I wasn't going to make a nude pink, but I decided to because I don't know, it's pastel to me, but for some weird reason I didn't like it. So I'm using 3 teaspoons of the clear acrylic from Young Nails, and then I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of the white, and that just makes the color solid and not opaque, like clear or see-through. And then I'm adding some pink mica powder. So I know you guys are like, that's kind of bright, but once you mix it in, it gets like softer. So I'm going to show you guys the color that I came up with by swatching right now, and that's what it was. I like it. It's cute. Sorry, I don't know what just happened. But now I'm going to do the same exact steps for the blue. So yeah, so I'm mixing. You can, with a mica powder, you're able to mix the colors and create your own unique shade, and that's what I'm going to do to create the blue. So you saw me before, 3 teaspoons of the clear and a half a teaspoon of the white. If I wanted to make less of a color, obviously I would cut that down in half probably. So I would do like half of what I did, half of 3 teaspoons, and then probably half of like what's half of a fourth of a teaspoon of the white and a teaspoon and a half of the clear. And that's how you make a smaller amount. So I would only do like a big one if I really like the color and I was going to use it a lot, like I did here. And I do half of that when I'm doing my own nails. Like if I'm just experimenting and playing around, I'll do half, so I don't end up wasting product just in case I hate it. But yeah, I definitely say do this, guys, if you're doing your own nails. It's way more fun. It makes the experience more personable. When I do other people's nails, they get so excited, especially when I tell them they can choose their own custom color, and it makes it more like on demand, because there's no way I would ever be able to own every color that a person wants. So if somebody asks for a color and I don't have it, I can easily sit there and make it out of acrylic, and it suffices. It's better, they like it, and I don't know, I just love it. So soon I will be making my own gel polishes because I feel like that may be a little simpler, but I have to do research, so that's later, soon to come. And yeah, so I did make the entire color line. The Yellow was very, very close to the green for some odd reason, and I do end up tweaking that later off camera because it was just too similar. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the set came out. My aunt loved them, I loved them. I have learned a lot since I did the set, and I'll tell you guys once I show you it on here. Okay, so yeah, we're done. I put them on the plastic nail tip that I also bought from Amazon. Super cheap. You can find them easily. Just type in stiletto clear nail swatch basically, and these will come up. Different prices, but they're not expensive. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys a close-up of each nail off of the paper towel on actual nail to show you guys how they came out, how nice they are. Yeah, my swatches look bumpy right here, but later in the video I changed my technique so they're gonna look way better. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. That's my first little pastel line, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and here's what it came out looking like. It's very cute. I have learned now that I can use less product because there was a lot of product on the set, but it still came out phenomenal. And I'm gonna show you guys the other colors that I created. I created a neon purple, and I did not use Arteza colors. I used a different brand, and I'll leave the name in the video for you if you guys want to look it up, and I'll also link it in my description. So yeah, so I made a purple, and I also made a yellow, and yeah, basically those are the only two colors that I did not use Arteza mica color powders for. And this is just how it came out, and I do also put these on a swatch stick so you guys can see it once it's fully dried and everything. Okay, now we're on to the non-neon colors. So these are the colors that I made with the mica powder, and I love all of them. They're all really cute. I make a lot of shades of pink because I don't know, I'm just obsessed with pink, and It just looks so pretty. It's like my favorite color for my nails, but in real life I don't wear pink at all, which is kind of weird, but yeah. And then I also made some nudes. These nudes are like my favorite line. Like, I just love all the colors I make. I can't even say I have favorites because I would be lying. Anything that I make is amazing. If it's not amazing, I throw it away and nobody ever sees it. So yeah, for the most part, I love every color that I've ever come up with. I do struggle with my glitters a bit because it's kind of scary, because you have to add so many glitters to make, like, I don't know, to make it super potent. And sometimes that makes me a little iffy because I don't want to like OD and then I hate it and you can't go back. So that's a little frustrating, but I still love the process. So that's all the colors I have thus far, and time to move on to the glitters. So my glitter lines are so cute. Some of them are really soft, some of them are really potent. I do plan on playing more with colors. I need to make a blue one, but I'm waiting until I do somebody's blue set so that I can actually have a reason to make it. Yeah, so super dope. So yeah, this color was hideous. I threw it away right after doing the swatch. I didn't even put it on a clear nail. It didn't deserve daylight. So yeah, got rid of that. Ignore it. It's ugly. Purple, green, yuck. But this orange one just makes me think of like a tangerine. It's amazing. And I have it on my, well, I had it on my nails for this set. And yeah, I loved it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep showing you guys the swatches and ignore the name. Okay, you might not like the name, but my names be vibes. All right, this one is Holga because it reminds me of Hey Arnold. If you guys don't know about Hey Arnold, shame on you, but you'll know that she always had his head in this heart frame, like she was obsessed, and I just thought it was so cute, and I had to dedicate a name to my childhood. So yeah guys, that's it. These are the colors again. I'm just showing you guys a little recap, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing, like what I've been up to, the sets that I've been doing. I'm gonna give you little clips of every single one, so stay tuned. This is my current set, and I'm so proud of how far I've come. The shaping is amazing. They just look so freaking good. Marble nails are my new fetish. Like, I'm obsessed. And yeah, like, if you guys have been here with me from the jump, you already know. But I also launched my Instagram for my nail page, and I did the nail art on my iPad by myself. This is me. And I did it on TikTok. Well, I made a TikTok for it, and I can't include the music, copyright clean, so yeah. But I just decided to show you guys how I made the art for my video, and well, for my page. I'm like stumbling on my words, but yeah, super excited. Follow my nail page. Love you guys. See you next time.